patient who has a mass of 58 kilograms is to receive medication of 5 milligrams per kilogram daily. So we set these up by doing fraction equals fraction. And the first thing we're told is 5 milligrams per kilogram, which is something you might be getting used to seeing. It happens a lot. This means for every 1 kilogram of mass that you have, we're going to give you 5 milligrams of whatever this drug is. And then they say, the question is, how much medication do we give to a 58 kilogram person? All right, I've got milligrams on top, kilograms on the bottom, all lined up. When you cross multiply this, you go 5 times 58, which is 290, divided by 1 is still 290. So the dosage is 290 milligrams per dose. They don't say anything about how often this happens or how long the course of treatment is, so we can't do the amounts per day or per course. So this is all we can do, and it's all they want. Here, same kind of thing happens actually. Drug C is tablets are used to treat tumors. The drug has a daily dosage of 5 milligrams per kilogram. So fraction equals fraction. Again, we're doing 5 milligrams per 1 kilogram is what it says on the packaging. And then we're dispensing to a 110-pound patient. Uh-oh. I can't really do this because our units have to match. I mean, I do want a number of milligrams of drug here, but what's happened here is we've got a drug that's labeled give milligrams per kilogram, and then we ask the person how big they are, and they say they're 110 pounds. We have to get these units to match. So do you remember how to do unit conversions? I think the conversion factor for pounds to kilograms is 2.205, but I'm just going to use 2.2. I think that'll be... No, let's be good. Let's use the whole thing. I'm just looking on the conversion sheet here. Oh, our sheet does just say 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. So guess what? We can do cross multiplication for this too. Off to the side, if 1 kilogram weighs 2.2 pounds, then kilograms would weigh 110 pounds. If you do this 1 times 110 divided by 2.2, you should find that this is exactly a 50 kilogram person. So instead of 110 pounds, that's actually no good, I'm putting 50 kilograms here. So this is still the same procedure with the cross multiplication. It's just they made us work a little bit for this mass. So now we have milligrams to milligrams, kilograms to kilograms. We should be able to do this. 5 times 50 is 250, divided by 1 is 250 milligrams. They said that's a daily dosage, so daily dosage. I guess that means you just take this stuff once a day. Okay, is that it for that question? You probably sense a trap. I wouldn't be asking if it was. 250 milligrams is the amount of drug, but what they're asking is how many tablets does that mean? And so we have one more step to go. These tablets are 50 milligrams each, meaning there's 50 milligrams of drug in each one of them. You can do this by just dividing and say 250 divided by 50 and get 5 tablets like that. Or, if you want, we can cross multiply one more time. We can say if 1 tablet gives you 50 milligrams of drug C, then how many tablets will give us 250 milligrams of drug C? 1 times 250 is 250, divided by 50 is, and we saw that coming, each day you get to eat 5 of these things.